Hey Faceless family, welcome to Debt Busters. Today's video explores the fascinating world of artificial intelligence mastery, where pixels come to life and creativity is faceless. Prepare for an incredible trip as we uncover the secrets of creating a faceless YouTube channel unlike any other. We harness the real potential of artificial intelligence, seeking the enormous powers of InVideo and VidIQ to create a mesmerizing environment that will captivate you. Join us as we push the bounds of creativity and question the very nature of video creation. Prepare yourself because the invisible revolution is about to begin. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell. If you subscribe and comment, "I subscribed," you'll be sure to get a reply from me. Are you feeling lost and overwhelmed in the vast ocean of YouTube content creation? Unsure of how to identify your niche and create a captivating channel? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this exciting video, we'll be your guiding light as you navigate the enthralling world of AI-driven YouTube videos. Discover the power of finding your niche as it shapes the destiny and structure of your channel while captivating your target audience. We understand the challenges you face, and we're here to serve as your compass and trusted partners on this journey. Leave a comment. We eagerly await your views and ideas. Let's find the perfect niche for your faceless video content. We'll use ChatGPT to find the appropriate niche for your faceless YouTube channel. You used to be able to do this on vidIQ while they were alpha testing AI Coach, but it doesn't seem to work as of July 2023. We'll use a simple prompt like, "Please give me the top 20 faceless YouTube channel niches." You always want to be polite to AI, so when the machines rise up, they will remember you were nice to its grandfather. ChatGPT's wisdom will be at your disposal with the touch of a button, delivering a finely curated list that will leave you spoilt for choice. Consider the possibilities because this list contains the key to engaging your audience and rising through YouTube's ranks. With this incredible collection at your disposal, it's now your chance to play a proactive role. Use vidIQ to explore, analyze, and follow your instincts to select the most popular niche from this impressive selection. Click the link in the description to follow along. It's a priceless resource that will light your path and give you a better grasp of vidIQ's capabilities. Your faceless YouTube channel's fate is in your control. Now, for instance, that you have decided on motivation as your niche for your faceless YouTube channel, it's time to go on to the next chapter. Building your brand. Consider a powerful name, a captivating thumbnail, and a description that leaves viewers wanting more. Fear not. vidIQ's AI Coach will work its magic, guiding you to the appropriate brand for your channel. So prompt vidIQ's AI Coach to give us 10 incredible channel names. This list contains the secret to developing a brand that will resonate with your selected niche, producing a symphony of motivation that will reverberate through your audience's hearts and thoughts. Take a minute to enjoy the anticipation since these names contain the spark that will ignite your path to greatness. As vidIQ's products are revealed, each moniker will entice you with its distinct charm and promise. Once you've chosen the channel name that speaks to your soul, don't worry, the AI Coach has more gifts to impart. Prompt vidIQ once more and watch as it displays the channel description, which is ideally customized to complement the selected name. You can use a prompt as simple as, "Please make me a channel description for choice number 5, or whatever number you like best. The AI Coach will know which number you're referring to and make you a channel description in no time. This description, designed with care and accuracy, will serve as the entrance to your universe of motivation, tempting visitors to enter the world you've diligently created. It will give your channel new vitality, making a lasting impression on individuals who seek inspiration. Now we'll use DALL-E 2, a software to create your perfect profile picture. Brace yourselves as we reveal the secrets of its artistic talent. Step into the world of DALL-E 2 with the ChatGPT logins at your fingertips. Prompt this unique software to conjure the personification of motivation, whether an inspirational figure or a knowledgeable professor. Choose the image that best represents your vision as the possibilities appear before you. Once you're pleased, it's time to show off your profile image to the world, which in this case is the world of YouTube. But wait, we must recognize the magnificence of your channel art, or, as some refer to it, the YouTube burner. Return to vidIQ's AI Coach's embrace and ask it to bestow upon you a fascinating burner caption that perfectly corresponds with your channel name. With this enthralling prose, enter Photoshop's domain and see words transformation into visual brilliance. Your burner is finished. Let us now construct the route for fascinating video content. We again use vidIQ's AI Coach's assistance to lead us to various video ideas. vidIQ's AI coach can be prompted to reveal a list of roughly 15 ideas, each a seed of promise ready to sprout. Your prompt can be something as simple as, please give me 15 video ideas for a channel in the motivation niche. Explore, analyze, and choose the concepts that speak to your creative spirit. Remember that if you have the premium vidIQ plan, the daily ideas feature awaits you, releasing the floodgates of inspiration. By the way, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, use my link in the description to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. Now let's visit today's sponsor, InVideo, where the magic of video creation unfolds before your own eyes. Use the link in the description to try InVideo for free. Log into your InVideo account to see the endless possibilities. But before you immerse yourself in its charms, take a moment to check the card on your screen to watch a review of InVideo we made before. Let us go on a content creation adventure with InVideo as our trusted companion. First, it will create a screenplay that weaves words like enchanted threads, encapsulating the soul of your inspiring universe. Each line will have a purpose, and each word will be an arrow piercing your listeners' hearts. But we're not done yet. The capabilities of InVideo go beyond words. Embrace the power of voiceovers by infusing your videos with the soul-stirring cadence of your selected narrator. Allow your own or a professional voice to add an ethereal touch to your creations. And don't worry, InVideo has many stock photos to adorn your visual tapestry. From breathtaking landscapes to compelling portraiture, these photographs can magnify the impact of your message, immersing visitors in a world of inspiration. The gem, though, is the AI text-to-video capability, a miracle that awaits your command. Transform your precisely planned narrative into a captivating visual journey with a stroke of genius. From the dashboard, you can choose the AI text-to-video option on the center left of the screen. Choose your favorite template and format. Prompt the AI scriptwriter and watch your words dance across the screen, harmonizing with images and animations that bring your message to life. Let's take you through how to go about it with InVideo. Consider the diversity of templates, each a gateway to a world of exciting imagery. Choose wisely because this template will be the foundation for your creation. Immerse yourself in its attraction with a single click and watch as your video canvas comes to life. But hold on, the adventure has only just begun. Pay attention to the left side where AI's mystical powers await. Prompt the AI and ask for its help in writing a script that captures the essence of your desired video. Consider this, a well-known motivating speech that sparks the spirit, encourages the soul, and leaves a lasting impression. Remember to provide the AI with essential information as you interact with it. Specify the desired duration of your video, specify a tone consistent with your concept, and include any necessary keywords. For example, if you wanted to make a 5-minute motivational video, your prompt would be something like, please provide a script for a 5-minute motivational video. The AI will weave its magic with these materials, creating a script that captures the essence of your creativity, but it does not end there. Click on Create Scenes to watch the magic develop. Those who have chosen the premium option should ensure that the premium checkbox is checked, as it contains the key to an even more fascinating experience. The stage is now set, the script is written, and the scenes are ready for choreography. Watch as your video comes to life with a sprinkle of premium magic or the artistry of the free option, a monument to your steadfast devotion to inspiring excellence. As your written script takes shape, marvel at InVideo's ability to generate scenes that exactly fit your words. Watch as the graphics come to life, creating a vibrant picture relevant to your expertise. However, if you want even more customization, don't worry. The power is hidden in the Videos tab on the left. Explore the extensive library of scenes, each expertly made to fit a specific topic, and select the ones that best fit your concept. But wait, the journey isn't over. InVideo allows you to change the text within the scene, such as resizing or changing the font, resulting in a visually attractive presentation that captures the core of your message. Let us now turn the focus to the world of voiceovers. Proceed to the voiceover option where a pleasant surprise awaits. Select the automated text-to-speech voiceover tool. Select your desired language and type with a click. Prepare to be enthralled as InVideo provides a preview highlighting the melodic tones of the chosen voice. When you're finished, rejoice because you found the right complement to your visual masterpiece. What is a masterpiece if it lacks a touch of lyrical enchantment? Unlock a treasure trove of musical options by clicking on the Music tab. Say goodbye to the default soundtrack and enjoy the flexibility to select the composition that best represents the essence of your video. Remember to minimize the music background as you choose, allowing the brilliance of your script to shine through. Adjust the volume and fading settings to achieve the ideal balance of words and melody. Take time to inspect your creation before drawing the curtain. Watch your video unfold in front of your eyes, each scene perfectly synced with your script. When you are completely satisfied, it is time to present your work. Please choose the desired resolution with a click of the export button to ensure your creation shines in all its beauty. For those who have chosen the premium plan, we recommend 1080p resolution, demonstrating your dedication to providing the highest quality. Now that you have your video, you have our problem solved. Go forth and claim your proper position in the vast expanse of YouTube. Make your invention a beacon of innovation and artistry for the rest of the world to see. Please note that your success can only be attributed to the amount of effort you put in. Go forth, stoke the creative fires, and let your faceless YouTube channel become a tribute to the indomitable spirit of creation. Again, we'd like to thank our sponsor, InVideo. You can try InVideo for free by using our link in the description. I know you're tired of watching countless faceless YouTube videos like this, trying to figure out how to make a channel and make money online. However, the truth is that it can take several years just to produce a single successful video if you're trying to learn YouTube through trial and error. But if you prefer a more active approach to learning how to make money online, where you can make $10,000 per month or more with YouTube cash cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you his secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know how to create a faceless YouTube channel using only AI. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing about VidIQ versus TubeBuddy. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know about VidIQ versus TubeBuddy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.